This is our new latch with a push button release, and part number PBPIN for the aluminium one and PBPIN-BK for the black one. It's a beautifully made little latch which you can use for a bonnet release, glove box lid, or any other panel that opens or removes. Here's how it works. The push button part is anodized aluminium, and it fits through a 90mm hole in your panel, which can be up to 10mm thick. Inside there you can see the spring-loaded locking mechanism. This is the pin that pushes into the latch. It's a 100mm threaded pin, 8mm diameter, so you can shorten it anything between 100mm and about 20mm. I've mocked this one up on 2 pieces of aluminium. This part has the top push release button on it. This could be your bonnet panel or your glove box lid. This bottom part has the stud mounted on it. This could be your slam panel or a little bracket on the inside of your lid. When you close your bonnet and push down on your panel, and it clicks and locks in place. The little conical part inside helps you align the pin with the catch. To release it, just press the button and it pops off. Very clever little device, and it sits only 2 or 3mm above your panel surface, so it's IVA compliant.